Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making a recipe from the Women's Weekly recipe book, the Big Book of Beautiful Biscuits, called Chocolate Fudge Bars. You'll need 1 cup of plain flour, half a cup of white sugar, 1 cup of coconut, 130 grams of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of cocoa and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Start by sifting together the flour and the cocoa. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once all sifted together, add the white sugar and coconut to the mixture and combine. Once combined, add the melted butter and the vanilla essence. This recipe is easily made with pantry staples, and if you're wanting to make it completely dairy free, you could swap out the melted butter for coconut oil or a vegan butter. Once the mixture is combined, place the mixture into a lined slice tray and press out with a spoon until it's even. Then it's time for the oven for 20 minutes. Allow it to cool completely in the tray. Next, let's make the icing. You'll need a cup of icing sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 30 grams of melted butter, and 1.5 tablespoons of hot water. Sift together the icing sugar and cocoa, add the melted butter and hot water, and mix until it's smooth. When the base is completely cold, remove it from the slice tray and ice. Then cut it into bars. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching!